What's going on, guys? As you can see, I just got my new mattress in, and you can hear it's already starting to air out. So I am going to do an unboxing and an initial review. Guys, this thing is a beast. Super heavy, but y'all, the wrapping on this is amazing. It's still super tight, super hard to get loose. Good thing I'm so muscular and strong. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this thing open, and you can kind of hear there's some air releasing as I talk quietly. So we're gonna cut it on this side to see what happens here. So y'all, this thing is, oh yeah, there we go. Here comes the boom. Just kidding. So y'all, you can hear it now. There you go. So if anybody was wondering if you could sleep on this the same day that you get it delivered, I would say the answer is yes, because this thing just automatically inflated. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get the rest of this wrapping out, and I'm going to get a trusty little assistant to help me. So the idea is we're going to, once we get this thing all done, we're going to do a little lay test. Now, I would recommend that you let this thing air out though, all the way, right? There's a ton of wrapping, so make sure you don't have some room in your trash can. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna move this into an open spot here, and I'm gonna lay it down. This mattress is kind of heavy though, so if you were a lady, I would probably get some help. This is a little bit hard for even me to do. But for right now, I'm just gonna lay this out on the floor. By the way, I got the full size, because this is going to be a day bed for us, so it's not going to be our main sleeper, me and my wife. But, as you can see, so what's really nice about this, I don't know if you can see it on this side, so it's got a combination of springs and then some memory foam on the top. So it's really nice, honestly. This is pretty incredible for a mattress that literally was just in wrapping. I mean, I can probably go to sleep on this literally like right now if I wanted to. It's really comfortable. I would say overall, you can kind of see, come here, you can see kind of the pushing in this. This is gonna be more of a firmer mattress. So for all my folks who like it more firm, it's not going to be as memory foam-esque, at least in my first laying. Now I am gonna do another video, sorry I'm a little out of breath, y'all. Another video later that's going to describe kind of how it feels to lay in it after a longer period of time, right? Since I just got this in the mail. But overall, my first impressions is that this is actually a really nice, comfortable mattress. So if you guys stuck around the whole time, definitely add this thing to your cart, at least from my opinion. If you guys are liking a more firm mattress, I think this feels and looks really great. Super happy with the product. So anyways, hopefully it's helpful for you guys, and hope you guys have a great day with your Amazon shopping. See ya.